Good morning. We stop at if not mistaken, we stop at exercise in class 1. We stop at here. Now we are going for expected value, variance and standard deviation. So how to find expected value, variance and standard deviation, huh? All this you can read, but I will show you the formula later when I do the exercise. So first we're going to do this example first. Example 1 here. Given a cumulative frequency, given a cumulative distribution function of x, this is cumulative, cumulative CDF. Given it's a CDF, okay. When you put one, two, three, four, 5. This is, remember, CDF. Okay, CDF. CDF means the cumulative. So if you put x inside here, x1 inside here, if you put x1 inside there, what do you get? You get 6 over 50. 6 over 50, if I write in terms of decimal, I'm getting 0.12. This time I prefer decimal. You put 2 inside here. If you put 2 inside there, you will get 0.28. If you put 3 inside here, you will get 0.48, and if you put 4 inside there, you get 0.72, and finally you get 1. Okay, this is what we did. The cumulative frequency, just I put in table. Remember last time when we did this one, cumulative frequency. Cumulative. This is from this whole thing here. This whole thing here I put in table. Okay, I put in table. So this is table. Now for us, they ask us to tabulate a probability distribution function. So now we have to do PDF. PDF, you just put P here, X. Normally we write it as Px equal to X, but never mind, you can put it like this. Alright, so 1 will be 0.12. For me to get this one, you take, because remember this 0.28 is actually Px equal to 1 Px P1 plus P2. Okay, so for you to get P2 only, here P2 only, you have to minus the P1. So what you do, this one minus with this, you will get 0.16. For you to get P3, this one minus, you will get 0.2. Number 4, you take this one minus this one, you will get 0.24, and last 0.2. Take this one minus this one. So that's how you find CDF. Okay, CDF to PDF. This is PDF. PDF is probability distribution function. CDF is cumulative distribution function. Last class I have explained to you all these things. We just put in table. So this is A. Be done. Tabulate a probability distribution function. Be done this one. Okay. You want to copy anything? I just give you 1 or 2 minutes. Try to look at it before I proceed with B. Alright. I hope all of you understand how to change it CDF to PDF. Compute the mean of variance and variance. The formula for mean, the notation is EX. E stands for expected value. Okay, another name of mean is expected value. Mean expected value, this is the one stand for E. E stand for expected value. Expected value of X. That's what it means. The formula is summation of X. I just put PX here, or you can write it like this. Both are, I allow both of this in this class. I just put it like this. So what you do now, you take this one multiply with the probability plus take 2 multiply with multiply. Take 3 multiply with if you do this, that is your mean. try to compute this. My answer, I get 3.4. Double check. Do you guys get 3.4? If you get 3.4, good. If you get more other than 3.4, let me know. This is the answer for mean. This is the answer for mean. For variance, the formula is this is the formula for variance. Expected value of x square. How to find this x square is summation of x square multiply with px. That would be you square this and multiply with this one. You square this and multiply with this one. You square this and multiply with this one. So you have to plus, okay, square this and multiply with this one, plus square this, you multiply with this one, plus if you do this, let me know what you get. Your ex square should be like this. If you get any other answer, let me know. Okay, so your ex square should be like this. If you have any other answer, let me know. Okay. You can raise your hand here like this. Okay. If you have any other answer, let me know. Yeah. Okay. Now ex square is this. Ex we already found, so v variance x is formula is ex square minus Ex square is 13.4 minus the mean is 3.4 square. You variance is 1.84. This is variance, so 1.84. Let's say they ask for standard deviation. Standard deviation is square root of the variance. Let's say they ask for standard deviation, that would be 1.36. That is answer. In case if they ask standard deviation. Right? So far, any problem? Can you all understand any problem so far? Fully farm? Okay. Now let us go to next one is example 2. The probability distribution function of the discrete random variable is given. Okay, so this is PDF. PDF we can put in table, much better in table. If you put 1 inside here, you will get 2k. If you put 2 inside here, no x here, no x, okay. If you put 2 inside here, there's no x, so answer is only k. If you put 3 inside here, that will be 6k. 4 inside here, only k. 5 inside here, 10k. 6 inside here, k. Calculate the value of a. As I told you, if you plus the probability, all probability, if you plus, this is PDF, only for PDF. Probability distribution function, if you plus all the probability, it must equal to 1. K equal to 1 over 21. That is answer. Once k is equal to 1 over 21, if k is equal to 1 over 21, then what is the probability here? This would be 2 over 21, 1 over 21, 6 over 21, 1 over 21, 10 over 21, 1 over 21. Okay, I give you some time, you copy all, find me the expected value now. How to find the expected value? I told you just now. Take 1, multiply with the probability, plus take 2, multiply with the probability, and so on. Okay, you try first, let me know what is the answer you get. Try this, any one of you, once you try this, okay, for expected value, I want you to type the answer here. Any one of you. Yeah, good. Yeah, 82, 21, Ahmad Daniel, good. I hope all of you get 81, 82 over 21, that is the answer. Yeah, but leave it like this. Better this one, 82 to 81. Anybody get this 80, 82 or 80, 21, 82 or 21? Double check. All right, good. Daniel dapat, bagus. All right, okay. I hope all of you get this. Okay, I hope all of you get this. Now we are moving to C now. Okay, C is find the probability x greater than expected value. Our expected value here is, if I make it decimal, okay, this is 82. X is greater than 82 over 21. 3.9. X greater than 3.9. Okay, we want to find all the probability. We plus x greater than 3.9. You can see 4, 5 and 6. This is greater than 3.9. 4, 5, 6 is greater than 3.9. So we take all the probability. X equal to 4. 4 is greater than 3.9 plus 5. 5 is greater than 3.9 and 6. If you plus all, what is the probability? 1 over 21, 10 over 21 and 1 over 21. If you plus this, you should get 4 over 7. Once you copy this, find me the variance. What is variance? This one. So find me this one first. What is EX square? Find me this one first. Give me the EX square in terms of fraction. If you do this EX square, EX square, 1 square 2 over 21, 2 square 1 over 21, 3 square 6 over 21, 4 square 1 over 21, 5 square and Did you get 362 over 21? Some get in decimal, beda. Daniel dapat dalam decimal. 362 over 21. Ya, tapi biarkan dalam pecahan boleh. Yang ini bagus. Daniel betul. Biarkan dalam pecahan macam ni. Anybody get this answer? Let me know. Once you get ex square, for you to find the variance, for you to get variance, (82 over 21). So if you do this, you will get 878 over 441, which is approximately 1.99. Double check, do you get this one? Okay, bagus. Daniel dapat. I hope all of you also dapat yang ini. Okay. Hakim dapat, Abdul Hakim dapat. Goes. Alright. Ahmad Daniel also dapat. Good. Now after this, we are going for another part here. Okay, this is a formula. If you notice the formula here, this is example 3 now. Example 3. Before I go to example 3, I just want to explain here certain things here. Let's say your example. Let's say your variance is, for example, let's say your variance is 3. Okay, sorry, not variance, mean expected value is 3. Then I'm asking this one for you. I ask you to find this one. According to the formula, what you can do, according to the formula, you can take out the number. This number you can take out, put it here, and put the EX here. So the answer is 9. Let's say I ask you to find this one. This one you can write it as, according to the formula, EX plus 3, 6. Okay. Now, what about if I ask you 2x minus 4? You can write it as 2x minus 4. But then this one is, you can take out the 2. This is 2. Okay, so you are given this one. Okay, you are given this one. Fine. If they ask you to find for 3x, okay, they ask you to find for 3x or any number, 4x, 5x, the method are same. Okay, copy this one first. Try to understand. Copy first one. Alright, this one done. Now for variance, let's say my variance is 5. let's say my variance is 5, and if I want to find variance, this is my variance, huh? I want to find my variance 3x according to the formula here. You can see here and here. If you have 3x here, you square the number, you square the a, put it outside. So here our number is 3, isn't it? 3 square, you put it outside. And what is our variance? 5. This is 9 already. 45. That is the answer. For plus or minus, no effect. You will get only variance. Okay, no effect. Plus minus, you no need to do anything. This is, if you plus a number or minus a number, is still the same variance. That is 5. As I told you, if you plus or minus any number, no effect. So rewrite again the 2x here. Multiplication, yes, you have effect. Multiplication or division, you have effect. This one is the 2, you have to square it, and then answer. What if they are asking like this, x over 2? Okay, so for x over 2, you rewrite again x over 2, I can write it as 1 over 2 x. 1 over 2 is a number. Answer is this one. Same goes for the expected value. Try to copy this and understand first. For expected value, tadi dah salin ke? Salin dulu tak apa. Saya bagi masa sikit, tak salin dulu. Alright. Same thing goes for expected value. Expected value x, let's say I put x over 3, so you can write it this as 1 over 3 x. The 1 over 3 you can bring in front. For expected value you don't need to square. X is 3, answer is 1. Alright, so that is regarding expected value and variance. We have one some question. Before we move on to continuous, example 3 here. Let us do example 3 here. Put in table. Table will always help you. This is probability distribution function. Of course this is in table, but I like to write PDF. Let us write in PDF. Probability is this is the probability. Now first of all they ask us to find what is Ex. Ex is multiply this plus multiply this plus multiply this, okay, all the way. Can you guys tell me what you guys get for Ex? Any one of you? You will get a nice number. good, Daniel, Mama Daniel, you get 3. That is answer 3. All of you, did you guys get 3 here? Good. Okay, Abdul Hakim dapat 3 juga, bagus. Ahmad Daniel dapat 3, bagus. Okay guys, now second part is they ask us to find ex square. Okay, find me ex square now. Let me know what you get ex square. Ex square 10.4. good, Muhammad Daniel. 10.4, good, 10.4. All of you should get this 10.4. Alright, good, Abdul Hakim. 10.4. So for ex and ex square, you get this one, eh? Alright. For B now, what is variance? Variance is ex square minus ex you should get 1.4. Variance is easy. The C is variance 3x. As I told you, there's a number here. That number you square it and then put the variance. 9, our variance is 1.4, so this one should get 12.6. Please try to do, okay, try to do D now. Try to do D here. this case, as I told you, variance plus minus no effect. Okay, so no effect means you can write it like this, and there's a number here in front, 3 square variance x. So if you do this, you will get 12.6. Huh? Now this is done. E is what? E. So I told you plus minus no effect for variance, and this negative 3 here, you put it here, square, variance is just now 1.4, still the same thing. Now I would like to give extra 2 here. This is E, right? F. Try F and G now. This is expected value. Let me know what is the answer you guys get for try for F and G. get for F and G? Let me know. Expected value here 1, EX is 3. So you will get, let me double check, this one you will get 5. You should get this one, and for this one you should get 31. Have a look at this. Did you guys get this answer? Double check. Any problem, let me know. So far, any problem, let me know. All right. I hope all of you get this. Now let us go to the last question for today's class. Last question is exercise 1 here. Exercise 1, let the probability function is 1. So I like to, as I told you, I like to put it in table. Now if you put 1 inside there, you will get, okay, put 1 inside here. Let's see what we get. You will get 1 over 2. If you put 2 inside there, you will get 1 over 4. If you put 3 inside there, you will get 1 over 8. I'm using calculator. Hopefully all of you can use the calculator quickly. Put 4 inside there, you get 1 over 16. Put 5 inside there, you get 1 over 32. You will get 1 over 64, and there's a typo here. There's this one over x equal to 7 only. This one can erase, this one cut this one. X equal to 7, the answer probability is 1 over 64. You should get this one. Number A here. Find P x in between 1 and 4. So x equal to 1, x equal to 2, x equal to 3. 4 no need because there's no equal here. So 1, 2, 3. What is the probability of 1, 2, 3? 1 over 2, 1 over 4, 1 over 8. You should get 7 over 8. Copy this one. Right, this is A here. For B, calculate the mean. This one times this, 2 times 1 over 4, you find the mean like this. You should get 127 over 64. Double check. expected value. I guess all of you get this. Now for standard deviation, they're asking for standard deviation. Standard deviation, we need to find variance. For me to find the variance, I need to find expected value of x square. So this one going to be this one. You should get 367 over 64. Okay, you should get this one, ex square. So for us to find variance now, quite easy. That would be if you press this, what you get. Variance I get 1.78, 1.780. Standard deviation, as I told you, square root of variance, you will get 1.34. And last one is C here. negative 5.03, and for D not D, I mean another one is variance, plus minus no effect, the 3 square you put outside, variance is 1.8, 16.2. Alright, for this question that's it.